Today we're making the cocktail that fueled the right drunk, edit sober mantra of Papa himself, the Hemingway Daiquiri. Light and refreshing with a boozy punch, this cocktail was made special for Ernest Hemingway when in Cuba. Because the traditional daiquiri was just a little bit too sweet and not boozy enough for the writer's liking, so the longtime El Floridita bartender, Constantino, and forgive me, I'm gonna mess up his last name, Ribailagua. I don't even know how to say it. Ribailagua. Constantino Ribailagua was entrusted with the task and created this great riff on the original daiquiri. Constantino Ribailagua. We're gonna go with that. So, the build for the Hemingway Daiquiri is 2 ounces of white rum, a ½ ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, 3/4 ounce lime juice, and a ½ ounce of grapefruit juice. It's shaken, it's double strained, it's served up, and it's garnished with a lime wheel. So the great thing about this cocktail is there is so little prep to do. There's no syrups, there's no infusions. All we gotta do is cut and juice some citrus. So let's get to the prep work. The tools you're gonna need today for your prep: a cutting board, you're gonna need a knife, you're gonna need a citrus juicer, and you're gonna need a few containers to juice into. Alright guys, so remember, as stated in our Bar Essentials citrus juicing video, about 25 limes will get you a liter of lime juice, and about 6 grapefruits will get you a liter of grapefruit juice. And important to note, a liter of lime juice will make you about 45 Hemingway daiquiris, and a liter of grapefruit juice will make you about 67 Hemingway daiquiris. So, based on that information, adjust the amount of citrus you're going to juice for the amount of cocktails you're going to make. So when juicing citrus, I like to cut them all at once and then juice them all at once for a quicker process. I made sure to set 1 lime aside because we're going to garnish with lime wheels, and I'm going to cut those as well right after I juice these. All right. Grab our containers, grab our citrus juicer, place it right side up. Shit. Tough limes. I didn't squirt on the lens. Alright, now we're going to double strain our citrus as always. So, grab your mesh basket strainer, and a second time. Grab a lid, grab something like some blue tape to label and date. Alright, we got our lime juice, double strained. Now, real quick before I switch to grapefruits, I'm going to grab the last lime that I saved for garnish. And when cutting lime wheels, what we're looking for are thin slices. So we cut the end off here, boom, see that? And you want thin slices. See? That's what we're looking for, right there. Stack these to the side. Alright, next we're going to cut our grapefruits. Same process. Down the middle. Side. Down the middle. Now, when juicing grapefruits, these are a lot bigger. They're probably not going to fit into your citrus juicer, so we're going to do these by hand. Just grab a container, and just like you normally would, squeeze. Don't worry about pulp or seeds right now. We're gonna double strain to make sure we get all that out. These ones are the ruby reds here. Nice color on them. Grab 2 containers. We're gonna double strain as always. And twice. Grab a lid, some blue tape to label and date. There you have it. Grapefruit juice. Lime juice. Remember the shelf life on this, guys? Lime juice is good for 2 days, throw it out on the 3rd day. Grapefruit juice is good for 3 days, throw it out on the 4th day. That's it for prep today. Let's jump in and make some cocktails. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put my lime juice and my grapefruit juice in these cheater bottles here just to make the cocktail making process a little bit easier. Alright, to start, we're gonna need our shaker tin. We're gonna need our glassware. We're also gonna need our jigger. Alright, so as always, we're always going to start with the cheapest ingredients to our most expensive ingredients. So let's go with 3/4 ounce lime juice, ½ ounce grapefruit juice, ½ ounce maraschino liqueur, 2 ounces of white rum. Grab our big shaker tin, we're going to grab some ice. We want to fill the short side of our shaker tin all the way to the top. Seal it, we're going to shake for 12 seconds. Crack your container, grab your basket strainer, grab your Hawthorne strainer, double strain. Garnish with our lime wheel. There it is, guys, the Hemingway Daiquiri. Let's taste. Yeah, super bright, super acidic. It does great maraschino, like cherry notes, nice sweetness from the grapefruit. Not quite as sweet as the traditional daiquiri because there's no simple syrup or anything in here. Boozy, refreshing, awesome cocktail. How could you expect anything less from Hemingway himself, Hemingway Daiquiri? Alright guys, I hope you liked today's recipe. Maybe you made this along with me, maybe you're writing it down for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking the cocktails, guys. And guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. And become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.